In this video I will show you how to add indicator on TradingView. So this is the interface TradingView, and you can go this icon indicator section, click technical, and here search bar any indicator, like here search EMA. Choose moving average, so click moving average indicator, add this cross, cancel, this is my indicator moving average. Then here and hide and show this icon and go to setting, and here click visibility high, line and color choose according you. Okay, after that setting 9. If you want 20 moving average, so this 20 moving average. Okay, so my moving average indicator add, so this way follow any indicator add, like RSI. Okay, and like super trend. Follow step. I hope solve your problem indicator.